Welcome back to the channel. If you think luxury SUVs have already reached their peak, think again, because the new 2027 BMW X7 is here to redefine what premium driving truly feels like. BMW has taken everything people loved about the X7, elevated it with a more commanding design, cutting-edge technology, and an even more luxurious cabin. Whether you're looking for family comfort, executive class luxury, or thrilling performance, this flagship SUV promises to deliver it all. So stay with us until the end, because you won't want to miss the incredible features packed into this stunning machine. At first glance, the 2027 BMW X7 makes a powerful statement. Its bold kidney grille has been refined with an elegant illuminated design that instantly grabs attention, while slimmer LED headlights create a sharper and more futuristic appearance. The sculpted hood, muscular body lines, and premium finishes give the SUV an unmistakable road presence. Large alloy wheels, aerodynamic styling, and sleek chrome accents perfectly balance sophistication with athletic character. Every angle reflects BMW's commitment to creating a luxury SUV that looks just as impressive parked outside a five-star hotel as it does cruising down the highway. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice that the cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional SUV. Premium leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting surround every passenger in first-class comfort. The spacious three-row layout offers generous legroom, while the available captain's chairs in the second row transform long journeys into relaxing experiences. Every surface feels carefully crafted, showcasing BMW's exceptional attention to detail. Technology plays a huge role in making the 2027 X7 stand out. A massive curved digital display seamlessly combines the instrument cluster and infotainment screen, delivering crystal-clear graphics and lightning-fast responses. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes standard, while an upgraded voice assistant understands natural conversation more accurately than ever before. Passengers can enjoy premium surround sound, multiple USB-C charging ports, wireless charging, and advanced connectivity features that keep everyone entertained throughout the drive. Comfort reaches another level with advanced climate control zones, ventilated and massaging seats, panoramic glass roof options, and improved noise insulation that creates an incredibly quiet cabin. Even at highway speeds, outside noise is kept to a minimum, allowing conversations and music to be enjoyed without interruption. Under the hood, BMW is expected to offer multiple powertrain options, including refined turbocharged six-cylinder and powerful V8 engines, along with advanced mild hybrid technology that improves both efficiency and responsiveness. The intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive system continuously adapts to changing road conditions, giving drivers exceptional confidence whether they're driving through rain, snow, or winding mountain roads. The suspension system has also been enhanced to provide a smoother ride while maintaining the sporty handling that BMW is famous for. Safety is another area where the 2020 X7 shines. It comes equipped with an impressive suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, parking assistance, and an advanced 360-degree camera system. These technologies work together to make every journey safer and less stressful. Although BMW hasn't officially confirmed pricing, industry experts expect the 2027 BMW X7 to start around the premium luxury SUV segment, with higher trims reaching well into six-figure territory depending on options. Considering its luxurious interior, cutting-edge technology, refined performance, and prestigious BMW badge, many buyers will likely see it as a worthwhile investment. The new 2027 BMW X7 isn't just another luxury SUV. It's a statement of style, innovation, comfort, and performance wrapped into one extraordinary package. If this is the future of BMW's flagship SUV, the competition has every reason to be concerned. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new BMW X7, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest automotive reveals and luxury car updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.